Good morning, guys. I'm currently in Ljubljana, which is the capital of Slovenia, and I'm here for the World Kidz Breaking Championships. And I've been here last year. It was very, very worth it. So this year I brought even more students. First up, the qualifiers in this little gym right here. Now it looks nice and calm on the outside, but trust me, it's about to get very, very busy very, very quick. Smallest of B girls right here. All right, so the qualifiers are in full throttle, bro. Kids from all over the freaking world. 3 age categories. You get the U10, you get the U14, the U18. It's insane. Temperature inside is pretty goddamn hot. Could be a little rough for some people. But to be honest, I'm loving it. I love the stress. I love the pressure. So let's keep watching it and let's see who makes it to the main stage tonight. That was one hell of a qualifying process, man. There was a lot of kids, a lot of high temperatures. This is what we should be able to withstand as breakers. We don't need the air conditioning. We don't need nothing, man. Bring it raw. But to manage all of that, that's insane, bro. So much respect to judges and the team organizing this and making things work, because a lot of people just panic in this type of situation. So now there's a little break. They're getting the stage ready. Meanwhile, there's a lot of stuff you can do right here. The weather's nice. People are very nice. There's not a lot of homeless people in this city, man. It's okay to leave the kids just roam free without being paranoid that they're gonna be molested or something. All right, so give me a little time to recalibrate myself and then let's get ready for those insane battles. Here we go.
Exactly.
Alright, so they just kicked off the main event. There's a lot of battles and it's very, very hot. But that's one of the great things of this event. You got all the different age categories. Under 10, under 14, under 18, and both in B-boy and B-girl categories. And I'm loving this because it's not your side event. The main event is for the kids and it's for the new generation. And yes, you are right, I am promoting this event, but I'm not working for this event. They're not paying me a dime. I paid my own tickets and all my students, they paid theirs. Talking about how much I love this event, I took almost all my students out here. Plus a lot of parents. And yes, it is pretty challenging to get that much people out here, but that's the job of the coach. You have to guide them. You have to push. And to be honest, because you're watching my videos, you should do exactly the same thing. Meanwhile, in a completely different country, I got my adult team that might possibly win this crew battle. I'll check the style in Italy. And yeah, I was traveling with these guys as well when they were kids. And look at them now. They're traveling by themselves. You know, that's what you should do as a coach, man. You should lead by example. So yeah, instead of yapping against the camera the whole time, I'm gonna go and enjoy some battles. And I really wonder who's gonna end up on top later today. It was a long day for these kids, bro. I'm gonna be honest. These kids have been dancing since 10 a.m. this morning, not forgetting the sun and everything. But yeah, absolute magical event. If you're a kid, you train kids, you have kids or whatever, bring them to this event. Again, I'm not getting paid by the event. I'm not looking to get paid by the event. I'm just doing the breaking scene and the breaking community large favor by pushing you guys in the right direction. It's your boy, Coach Sambo, your online B-boy coach. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Peace, guys.